Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in the affiliate marketer's arsenal. It allows you to reach your audience directly and promote your affiliate products in a way that is targeted and effective. But to get the most out of email marketing, you need to know how to use it properly. In this post, we'll take a look at some strategies for leveraging email marketing to maximize your affiliate sales. Build a targeted email list. The first step in leveraging email marketing is to build a targeted email list. This means collecting the email addresses of people who are interested in your niche and have given you permission to contact them. You can do this by offering a free resource or incentive in exchange for their email address, or by asking them to sign up for your newsletter or updates. Segment your email list. Once you have a list of email addresses, it's important to segment them based on their interests and behavior. This allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers, rather than blasting everyone on your list with the same message. For example, you might create segments based on the types of products your subscribers have expressed interest in, or based on their level of engagement with your emails. Use a powerful email marketing platform. To effectively leverage email marketing, you need a powerful email marketing platform. There are many platforms to choose from, but some of the most popular include MailChimp, Aweber, and ConvertKit. Look for a platform that offers advanced segmentation, automation, and analytics features to help you make the most of your email campaigns. Craft compelling subject lines and content. The success of your email marketing campaigns hinges on your ability to craft compelling subject lines and content. Your subject line should grab your subscribers' attention and entice them to open your email. Your content should be valuable, informative, and engaging, with a clear call to action that encourages your subscribers to take the next step. Promote your affiliate products strategically. Finally, it's important to promote your affiliate products strategically in your emails. Rather than bombarding your subscribers with a constant stream of sales pitches, focus on providing value and building trust. Share helpful tips, resources, and information related to your niche, and then include a strategic affiliate link where appropriate. This approach is more likely to result in conversions and long-term relationships with your subscribers. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers looking to maximize their sales. By building a targeted email list, segmenting your subscribers, using a powerful email marketing platform, crafting compelling content, and promoting your affiliate products strategically, you can take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level. But wait, there's more. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level, I highly recommend checking out our recommended online business app. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your affiliate marketing efforts, provide valuable insights, and help you scale your business. Find the link to the app in the video description below and start supercharging your affiliate marketing journey today. Host, thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.